How to buy Trenchpedia token. So this token came under the symbol of the trwiki. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money euros on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screen. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trended number 16 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that. Now, as you can see, this is the homepage of your wallet. Now, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in search bar. And as you can see, this also now click on it and click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the trwiki token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.